real music variety. You know you're on 97.5. 97.5 PST.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is a test of the new emergency alert system. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. WPST serves the central New Jersey area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Oh, I love those. PST weather, partly sunny and cool today, around 55 for the high. Clear or cold tonight, down to 35 tomorrow. Some early sunshine and clouds in the afternoon, around 55 for the high. It's 52 now in Ewing, 51 at PST.
Listen to all this music in the air.
Más completa información sobre el tiempo, los huracanes, encuentra la página de las noticias en tele11.spiderlink.net.
Buenas tardes, interrumpimos la programación. El Servicio Nacional de Meteorología en San Juan ha emitido un aviso de inundaciones repentinas para los municipios de Culebra, Vieques, San Tomás, San John y Santa Cruz hasta las 10 de la noche de hoy. A las 13:45 p.m. el radar de Doppler indicaba lluvia torrencial asociada con el paso del huracán Georges, moviéndose a través del área bajo aviso. Cantidades adicionales de lluvia en exceso de 3 a 4 pulgadas son de anticiparse. Windy interrupted programming. Bulletin emergency alert system activation requested flash flood warning. The National Weather Service in San Juan has issued a flash flood warning for Culebra, Vieques, St. Thomas, San John, and St. Croix until 10 p.m. this evening. At 3:45 p.m., Doppler radar indicated torrential rainfall associated with Hurricane Georges moving across the warning area. Additional rainfall amounts in excess of 3 to 4 inches will occur. And now we go back to our normal programming. Y ahora regresamos a nuestra programación normal.
Passion.
Rhythm.
Art.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Hampton County and western Massachusetts, western Hampshire County and western Massachusetts, including Northampton, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm 5 miles southwest of Chester, or about 18 miles southeast of Pittsfield, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Other locations in the warning area include Worthington, Williamsburg.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lenawee County in southeast Michigan until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm.
Is 24 hours.
This is a test of the State of Wisconsin Emergency Alert System. This test is now concluded.
This is a test of the Emergency Alert System. Exclusive Shame on You reports only on 19 Action News.
Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for Rockingham County in north-central North Carolina and Henry County in Martinsville in south-central Virginia until noon. At 11:25 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar and law enforcement officials were tracking a tornado on the ground near Middle Springs Road and Ellisburg Road heading toward Highway 220. The tornado was moving north at 30 miles an hour, and locations impacted include Maiden, Stoneville, Price, Martinsville Airport, Horse Pasture. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Take cover now. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. This warning replaces the warning that was in effect until 11:30 for western Rockingham and eastern Stokes County. Please relay severe weather reports to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-866-215-4324. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Friday afternoon for north-central North Carolina and southwestern Virginia. Repeating, the Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for Rockingham County in north-central North Carolina and Henry County in Martinsville in south-central Virginia until noon.
And cable systems of your area. Emergency alert system equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado, flood, evacuation, toxic release, or any emergency that you, the public, should be timely alerted, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves as a vital part of the Louisiana State Emergency. This concludes this test of the Emergency Alert System.
Air.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Greene County and west central Ohio until 8:15 p.m. At 7:46 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Paintersville, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Locations in the path of the storm include Jamestown. In addition, Fowlersville, Bell Center, Rosemew, and Gladstone are near the path of this dangerous thunderstorm. If you are near the path of this storm, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Mobile homes and vehicles should be abandoned for more substantial shelter. Avoid windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Thursday evening for southeastern Indiana and west central Ohio. A tornado watch also remains in effect until midnight Friday morning for southeast Indiana and northeastern Kentucky and southwestern Ohio.
All right, tornado warning for southeastern Greene County and
the fantastic.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
Wait.
Is the coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system equipment. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have received timely emergency information. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Messages transmitted at the request of the South Dakota Emergency Management Agency, Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Sioux Falls residents west of Interstate 29 must stop water usage immediately. Please stop flushing toilets, washing clothes, and using showers. Only use water for drinking purposes. Water does not need to be boiled. Discontinue all other uses of water. There is an issue with the sanitary source system, which may cause solar backups in the affected area. Potential solar backups will occur from an area bounded to the north, from the North Minnesota Avenue water plant to the south by 26th Street. The eastern boundary is along Minnesota Avenue, and the western boundary along Western Avenue. Residents in the affected area should work to move critical items from their basements to higher elevations until Public Works can fix the problem. In addition, sanitary sewage is being discharged into the Big Sioux River south of West 12th Street. Residents should stay out of the Big Sioux River and parks adjacent to the river, including bike trails. Discharges into Cavell Lake and Overland north of Falls Park are also occurring. Residents are advised to stay out of these areas.
Of emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming. National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a tornado warning for Anderson County, Knox County, Morgan County, Rowan County until 9:45 p.m. At 9 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 5 miles northwest of Kingston. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving east at 55 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Oak Ridge, Clinton, Knoxville, Oliver Springs, Dearmond, Carnes, Powell, Norris, and Halls. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing golf ball-size hail and destructive straight-line winds. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch, or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Friday evening for southwest North Carolina, and East Tennessee and southwest Virginia.
Severe storms to your weekend plans.
No one in North Central Montana can
Experience technology you can count on. KRTV, Storm Tracker Weather, Montana's most accurate.
You flip, but they flop. You flip, but they flop. Hi, Mark Hill here for the perfect...
Civil authorities in your area have reported that the bodies of the dead are rising from their graves and attacking the living. Follow the messages on screen that will be updated as information becomes available. Do not attempt to approach or apprehend these bodies as they are considered extremely dangerous. I repeat, civil authorities in your area have reported that the bodies of the dead are rising from their graves and attacking the living. Follow the messages on screen that will be updated as information becomes available. Do not attempt to approach or apprehend these bodies as they are considered extremely dangerous. This warning applies to all areas receiving this broadcast. Tune in to 9:20 a.m. to get updated information in the event that you are separated from your television or if electrical service is interrupted. Civil authorities in your area have reported that the bodies of the dead are rising from their graves and attacking the living. Follow the messages on screen that will be updated as information becomes available. This station will now cease transmission, so please use your battery-powered radio. Tune in to 9:20 a.m. for information.
Following who have made significant contributions preserving our area's history. Pacific Steel and Recycling.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. The time and
In Chicago has issued a tornado warning for north central DeKalb County in north central Illinois, southern Boone County in north central Illinois, southwestern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 7:16 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Kirkland, or 9 miles south of Belvidere, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Keatington around 7:20 p.m., Belvidere around 7:25 p.m., Marengo around 7:45 p.m., including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 43 and 56. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. Weather statement issued at 11:11 a.m. The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Clatsop County in northwestern Oregon, northwestern Waukegan County in southwestern Washington, central Pacific County in southwestern Washington until 11:45 a.m. At 11:10 a.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. A tornado is also possible with the storm. This storm was located near Warrenton and moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Penny-sized hail may also accompany the damaging winds. Locations impacted include Astoria, Warrenton, Grays River, Francis, Nassau, Camerontown, Rossburg, Lebam, Deep River, Megler, Pillar Rock, Altoona, Napton, Cameron, and Chinook. This includes the following highways in Washington: U. South. Highway 101 between mile markers 1 and 7. State Route 4 between mile markers 4 and 28. State Route 6 between mile markers 15 and 20. This includes the following highways in Oregon: U South. Highway 30 west of Portland between mile markers 89 and 99. U South. Highway 101 between mile markers 1 and 15. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business.
Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. This is a supercell thunderstorm. Due to the rotating nature of these storms, they are capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extreme...
Cruise the Caribbean with our exclusive 2-for-1 offer. Book a stateroom and 2 of you will sail for the price of 1.
This station is participating in the test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This was a test.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. A similar wireless emergency alert test message has been sent out to all cell phones in the nation. Some cell phones will receive the message, others will not. No action is required.
For 10 This is an important message for the following county: Wayne, Michigan. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac, has issued a flash flood warning for southern Wayne County in southeastern Michigan until 6:45 a.m. At 2:49 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the Warren area. Up to 2 beyond 1/2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. Some locations that will experience flooding include Taylor, Romulus, Flat Rock, downtown Detroit, Canton, Dearborn, Wyandotte, Trenton, Grosse Ile, Belleville, Greenfield Village, Westland, Dearborn Heights, Lincoln Park, Southgate, Allen Park, Garden City, Inkster, Wayne, and Woodhaven. This includes the following highways: I-75 between mile markers 30 and 50, I-275 between mile markers 8 and 24, I-96 between mile markers 191 and 192, M10 between mile markers 1 and 2, M39 between mile markers 6 and 7. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:45 a.m. for the following county: Wayne, Michigan.
From the Michigan Executive Office of Governor, the State of Michigan Stay Home, Stay Safe executive order takes effect at midnight tonight. Non-essential travel is prohibited. As necessary, you may leave your home for health and safety reasons, to get groceries and supplies, for certain outdoor activities, and to care for others. Businesses must limit in-person operations to those necessary to sustain or protect life. All individuals who leave their home or place of residence must adhere to social distancing measures recommended by the CDC. For additional guidance, see www.michigan.gov/coronavirus.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. WNYW is conducting a weekly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
Is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Sturgeon Bay to Sheboygan, open waters of Lake Michigan from Rock Island Passage to Sheboygan until 9 p.m. At 7:54 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles west of South Fox Island to 17 nautical miles southeast of Sturgeon Bay Ship Canal Light to 8 nautical miles northwest of Sheboygan, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Raleigh Point Light, Two Rivers, and Manitowoc. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for east central Wisconsin and the adjacent waters of Lake Michigan. The following is a